Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to brew you some tea. Alright? So we're going to brew us some of the best tea in the world right here. Alright, so we're going to start with these tea bags. I use 3. For this one, I probably only use 2 because I normally use a bigger pitcher. So I'm going to use 2 of these. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one alone. So the pitcher I normally use is bigger than this one. I'll show you guys that one. See how big that pitcher is? So I normally use 3. Now it's up to you how much sugar you want to use. Is to your taste. I'm going to use like a cup of sugar to mine, and I'm also be squeezing or cutting me a lemon up and put it in there. Okay, so stay tuned in and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, you're gonna need your nice sized pot to get ahead and get started. You got a pitcher which is equal to 1 gallon of water. You're gonna pour in there. Alright, we're not going to let this come to a boil or nothing like that, okay? We just want to seep our tea bags in there. So when it starts getting hot, just put the tea bags in there like this. When it starts getting hot, like it almost finna start boiling, then we're going to just let it seep, okay? We mean just letting it sit in there and get all the natural flavors out of these tea bags. Alright? I'll be back. Okay guys, while that doing what it got to do over there, we're going to take us some ice cubes. We're going to put us some ice cubes up in here, okay? We're going to fill this all the way up. We're going to get some big chunks so let's break it up real fine. Alright, that should be about it right there. Alright. Okay, we want to get us a cup of sugar. That's this right here. Pour us a cup of that in there. Alright. You just pour that on top of there, like so. Okay, I'm probably gonna go with 1.5 cups of mine. I like mine to have a little sweetness to it. Oh, that was 1.5 cups actually. Looked like a lot of sugar though, but I know what I'm doing, trust me. Because a big one normally takes 2. Alright, we just let that hang out till our tea get done, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. See how it's getting hot like that? Okay, at this point right here, you can let it, if you want to, come up to a boil, but I'm not. This seems like it tastes funnier when it does that. Then you may be at risk of getting some of this tea out of the bag into your tea. So I'm just dipping it like this. Then I'm just going to turn this off because I don't want it to come to a boil. I'm just going to let it sit in there, let it seep in there for about 5 minutes. You know, dap it a couple of times. Then when that cool down a little bit more, I'm going to take you over there and I'll be back. Okay guys, next up we're going to cut up this lemon. We're going to cut it all up, okay? We'll take 1/4 glass. Just put that in on a glass. Then we'll take about 2 of these, 2 I don't want a whole bunch of lemonade taste to it. I just want to add some flavor to it. Probably about 3. Okay, when we pour that in there, alright. And when we pour that tea in there, it'll give that lemon flavor in. Pull this up a little closer so you guys can see what I'm about to do. So this tea has been seeping for about 5 minutes. I'm just dipping it in the water probably about 5-6 more times. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your pot, you're gonna pour it just like that. Alright. Give it a stir. Give it a taste. Yummy. And I still have some more tea for tomorrow. So remember, when you do that, you're going to have some tea left over out the gallon, because remember you got all that ice in there. Okay, let me just clean this up a little bit here. So if you got another pitcher or something, you can use that to pour it in there if you want to make a mess like I did. That's why I normally use that bigger one. I can pour it all fits up in there. So all right, let me stir this again. Get to the bottom. If you have a cinnamon stick, you can use that. Just pour this in this glass. There you go. There you go, right there. Get you a zoom up. That's it. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and like and share. Veil Dog is signing out. And thank you for watching.